For bodyweight squats, you want to have your feet about shoulder width apart and you want to think corkscrew your feet into the ground. This will allow us to keep really good form and not let our knees collapse in. Go at your own level, as deep as you can, keeping your feet flat. You want to think pressure through your heel to your toe, so not all on your heels, not all on your toes. Hit the depth that you can, keep your chest up, make sure your knees are not collapsing in, keep breathing fluidly, keep getting after it. If you tend to lose your balance and fall backwards during a squat, that's okay. We can fix it by elevating the heels. Here I'm using books, but you can use anything solid that will elevate your heel 1 to 2 inches. This will allow us to mimic better ankle mobility in this dorsiflexion, allowing us to hit better depth, keep our chest up, and prevent us from falling backwards.